Hi and welcome back. So you can get started with Shopify one of two ways. So the first way, you can get yourself a 14-day free trial. So this runs out after 14 days. You don't need to add your credit card info. Just put in your email address and follow the steps. So go ahead and sign up for the free trial if this is the one that you want. Now the next one is you can get yourself a partner shop. So what this means is you'll sign up as a Shopify partner. So if you go to shopify.com/partners or partners.shopify.com, one of that will get you to this page and you can sign up as a Shopify partner. So as a partner, you will be able to create development stores, and development stores will give you the capability to create actual stores which you can use and even sell products for about 50 orders, up to about 50 orders. And then after that, you will need to upgrade your account. But this is a nice way if you want to be a Shopify freelancer, then sign up as a Shopify partner. You can also become an affiliate via the partner platform. What you're going to get on the partner dashboard will be the affiliate links, and you'll also get development stores. You can create development stores and people can also transfer their stores to you so that you can make design changes for them. If you want to become a Shopify freelancer, then go ahead and sign up as a partner. So this is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to create a store via my Shopify partner account. However, if you want to just do a 14-day trial, then go ahead and sign up for the 14-day trial. But this is the one that I suggest for you. Become a partner and you can create as many stores as you want. And the reason why I would encourage you to get this is because for you to become a Shopify expert, of course, you'll need to practice. And the only way for you to practice is for you to create Shopify shops. So using your Shopify partner account, you can create as many development stores as you want. And that will enable you to learn and become extremely confident in your Shopify skills. So go ahead and sign up as a Shopify partner, and then we will continue from there. Okay. So I will see you in the next video when we continue from here.